like comparison wise. That is crazy. What's going on, guys? Lloyd here, back again with another video. Sorry for being on hiatus for quite some time. Been doing a lot of other stuff here and there. Busy with a lot of, not just work, but also life. But anyways, as you can see, Nintendo Switch 2 is here. Really lucky to just get our hands on it now, on release date and stuff like that. But we also got these. So right here is the Nintendo Switch 2 camera. And yeah, the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. So first things first, I guess we can just get started with the unboxing of the console itself. I'm not a high production unboxing video like Marques Brownlee and other approved YouTubers out there. Oh, hi. But yeah, just like anybody else, really, this is what you see is what you get, basically, from retail boxes and stuff like that. Say you pick it up at like Best Buy or pre-ordered it somewhere. Let's go ahead and go with the unboxing here and see what we got. So, got the Switch. It's almost like the unboxing video that I did for the Mario Kart version up here somewhere and down in the description if you guys want to check that out. Got the controllers. So, wow, this is definitely bigger. All right, let's see what else is in the box. So we got these health and safety information, HDMI stuff. Gosh, I'm already doing so bad. I'm not like a big Nintendo gamer, but my partner is though. So this is mostly her stuff that she's gonna be doing. I'm more of an Xbox guy, but hey, occasionally we do some multiplayer games here and there. I got this one right here. Check that out. Actually, let's unwrap it now. Why not? Right here. Probably won't need this, so I'll save it for later. HDMI. Now, I'm probably not gonna do like a first impression and stuff like that, like gameplay for you guys. I mean, if I do, I'll probably just put a timestamp below. My goal is really to just unbox it for you guys, especially if you did not have the chance to cop it. It was sold out right away, right? I got the USB-C to USB-C here, cable. We also got the charger, power brick. So there. And then this guy right here is the dock. So it's a bit beefy, kind of, but yeah, here it is. So basically, yeah, this is what you guys will get in the box. Let me see here. There we go. So got an HDMI out and the AC adapter and just the local area network connector right here, LAN. So just like the other Switch. Anyways, games and stuff, we'll just download it. By the way, we don't buy like game stuff anymore. Like we do, but it's all online. So let's go ahead and move on to the controller. See how it feels and see how it compares maybe to my Xbox controller. We do have a couple of limited edition Nintendo Switch controller as well, but yeah. By the way, this is the connector as well. So many USB-Cs laying around in this household. So who knows? We might not need that. We'll see. We'll see. Anyways, USB-C here for the controller. This feels premium. Love it. Check that out. Monitoring my video right here, by the way, guys, so I can see a little better. But yeah. Very, very nice. Love it. It feels very premium. I love the design and everything and just the feel. I mean, it's a Pro controller, right? And then, yeah, let's move on to the webcam. So excited for this one too, because, we'll be able to play with friends and stuff like that and be able to see them. Kind of reminds me of the Xbox Kinect a little bit, if you know what I mean. This one works a little different, obviously. Just kind of have that more intimate connection with friends and family, especially if you guys are into that. So Definitely my partner is very into that. So she loves playing with her homies. And yeah, so here's what it looks like. Let's check that out. By the way, let me know how the video quality is going, guys. I color graded this, by the way. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you guys haven't seen that video, by the way, click it up here and down in the description. You just want to check it out. And also, if you want to, buy it too, I'll link it down in the description. It's an affiliate link, just a disclaimer, but it helps supports this channel as well. It's probably expensive now due to tariffs. I'll explain in a couple of videos. I have some opinion about that with just the whole tech industry and stuff like that. But yeah, here is what you get. Well, not these. These are sold separately, so that's different. But here is what you get. Obviously, is the Switch 2. All right, so let's check it out. Actually, let's just power it up. Why not? Look how it just snaps like that. That's amazing, right? And yeah, it's just like magnetic and stuff. And like to release it, you just kind of press these, and then boom. That's amazing. So it's definitely bigger compared to like the old one. Let me just grab it for you guys. So I have the Mario Kart edition here. It's kind of dusty. I haven't touched it in a while, but check that out, guys. Like comparison wise, that is crazy. Like look at the size. So that's so much bigger. Like look at the length, all that. So that's pretty rad. And I love how like everything just, yeah, snaps in and out. So let me power this up real quick for you guys and see how it goes. May or may not have some charge, but we'll see. Here it goes. Oh, you guys hear that? Here, let me move my mic. Alright, let me set it up real quick. Cool, we got ourselves some connection, you guys. So with Nintendo Switch 2, you can play games wherever you want, however you want. So that's what it looks like. And then it just tells you how to use the stand. So I already have that. And basically just like a setup instruction, and like how to use it and stuff. But anyways, yeah, that's all for this quick setup here, guys. I guess maybe in a couple of weeks later, I will probably do a more in-depth like impression / review of how it is. But for now, that is the Nintendo Switch 2. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I will catch you all in the next video. I do have a couple of Japan vlog series too coming up. Just a little bit of a hint there. We did go to Japan again last November, but I've been slacking on editing it. But I'm hoping this summer it will all come out. There's a lot of it for you guys. So stay tuned. Gonna get back to my editing roots, and now that I'm not as busy with marathon training and all that. So yep, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.